Okay, in this video, we'll start with indexing. So, what is indexing? Indexing is the predefined location of element. So, here I have taken a string one as a string variable where I have stored Python program from before. So, in Python, indexes always start with 0. So, for p is 0, for y 1, t 2, h 3, like this it will go till end. End means length minus 1. So like this string value, Python program, its length is 14 and indexing will go till n minus 1, like 14 minus 1 is 13. So we'll use indexing whenever we want to, suppose there is a condition where I want to know the what is the position of n, at what position my n character is present. So at that time I'll use indexing. So what is the syntax for getting that information? We'll give syntaxes, we'll give a variable name, okay, dot index, and then bracket में character which we want to get. So this is the syntax. So let's see how we'll find. Our variable is str1 dot index, and where I want to, which value I want to get, which character n. If I'll give n, according to my this data, my n is present at fifth location. So I should get the location as fifth. Let's see, my answer is correct or not. Fifth, it's correct. Okay. So suppose uh, n is here. Suppose I have 2p. Okay, and I want to know. I know that first p is present at my 0 location. I want to know where my next p is present. Okay, so how I'll do is I can give variable name str1 dot index, and inside this I can give character. My character is p, and value, what this value is, from where I want to start. So suppose I know it is present and 0 character, I will start from, suppose I will start from 1. So I'll start from 1. So it will give me 7 character. My second p is present at my 7th character. Okay. So suppose there is a condition where you want to check, suppose here we have 2a, 2o. Okay, and I want to check how many O are present in my program. So how I'll check that? I'll use count function. For that, str1 dot count and then value O. So I have my in my variable 2 times O is present, so it should give me 2. Correct. Suppose I'll add one more O here. Okay, and I'll run this also. It will 3. So same thing, if I want to check how many P are present, so P are, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 P. So it should give me 4, correct? If I'll run this, I'll get, sorry, I need to give here P. I'll get 4 P is present, okay? So next we'll see what is slicing. So slicing is, suppose I'll take the same string, I'll take this same string here, okay, and I want to know what is present in between my 3 to 5 location. Okay, so I can use slicing in that case, and its syntax is variable name bracket. Here we will use a square bracket, then a start point or a start index, I can say, column end index and index. So here in this case, whatever is start index I'll give, it will include in start index, include start index or start point I can say, and exclude end index or end point I can say. Exclude means it will take n minus 1. For end point it will take n minus 1 value. Okay, so let's see an example. Suppose I want to check what is present at 3, 4 and 5 location. So I'll give till 6. So I am giving here my variable str name, then the start index is 3 and then 6. Okay, so it should give me HON, correct? I'm getting that thing. So this is indexing and slicing. Let's see now what is mutable and immutable. Mutable and immutable data table. So okay, mutable and immutable data types. So suppose I have a string. Okay, so for a string I cannot change the value. Okay, I'll explain how. So there are few data types in which we cannot change the value. So for those we say it's immutable, can't change value. And for which data type which we can change value or which we can change value, they are called mutable. So if I'll give example, I'll explain here string and tuple, these are the mutable, sorry, uh, these are the immutable, and list, dictionary, set, these are the mutable, means we can change them. So let's see how. str1, suppose I have given str1 and I know at 3 position I have h, correct? So if I want to replace the value which is at 3 position, means I want to replace this h with I, can I do it? If I replace this, no. Why? Because immutable, it is say it is cannot be changeable, that's why. So similarly, if I'll take a string, sorry, if I'll take a list 1 equal to, I'll explain what is list and other things. Okay, so suppose this is my list, and if I want to, if I'll press shift enter, print list 1 and list 1, I have this value for in our list. Okay, so suppose I know at my second position I have 20, I want to replace it with by 30. So what I'll do is I'll make list 1 at, so our location will start with 0, so 0 and 1. So I'll take it 1 and I'll make it 30. If I'll do shift enter, I can do it. So now if I'll check my list 1, I have replaced 20 by 30. So these are the things we learned this video. Recap is, today we have learned, in this video we have learned indexing, slicing, mutable and immutable. Okay, thank you.